What's up, everybody? This video is going to be about how to find garage sales around you, or townwide or neighborhood garage sales. So I've been going to some yard sales that have been posted on Facebook and Craigslist, and they just really haven't been very good. Most of the time, the people that post stuff on Facebook or Craigslist or any of the garage sale sites, they kind of know what their stuff is worth, and so they're more technologically inclined, so they most of the time look up their stuff on eBay, or they're not willing to sell stuff for very cheap. So what I've been doing is looking at the local newspaper websites. So with my newspaper website, there's like a whole bunch of different newspapers connected, so you can just go to the classifieds and search neighborhood, and it'll bring up all the classifieds of the newspapers around me that have neighborhood yard sales. So there's a lot. It always brings up stuff in Indianapolis, and I don't know if I'm willing to drive. You never really know with neighborhood sales, like if it's going to be like 3 sales or 50. You never really know. So I'm not really willing to drive like an hour for one of those sales yet. I might be willing to later in the summer. We'll kind of see. I'm kind of busy right now, but that's really what I do. And I find that the people that posted it on the newspaper, create ads on newspapers, don't really know what their stuff is worth. Plus, if people are setting up for neighborhood sales, they might not even have posted the ad. It could just be someone else in the neighborhood that posted it, and then those people could have just set up with their neighbors. You don't know. So, and some other terms to probably search is like townwide, community sale. Just search community, and so those are really 3 terms that I always search, and it brings up quite a few large sales around me. So that's really how to find some yard sales these days. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like it, and I'll see everyone next time.